How many people on the internet admit when they're wrong? Hi, I'm Drew, welcome to the Beggars Woodshop, and that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. I had my rant about the 3D printed couplers that are available for sale on YouTube. You listened, then you talked, leaving your comments down below that video, and I listened. I admit, I'm wrong. A lot of you commented and chimed in about places that have tested these things and also tested themselves and have shown, hey, these things work out okay. They suit the need for what was going on at the time, which was no production of those couplers. And, okay, you guys were right. I was wrong. I admit it. I'm willing to admit when I'm wrong. So, okay, yeah, and yes, someone did point out my lack of knowledge of 3D printing, which I did admit to in the video, yes, and it is minimal. But I admit I was wrong. So, thank you, everyone. This is why I love the Shopsmith community and the comments. I can hear everyone else's perspective. There's a lot of people out there that like to shut out commentary or other people's opinions, and not only shut them out, just completely ignore them altogether, and there's even people who will ban those people from videos or even flag their channels. I've heard stories. It's terrible. One thing I'd like to ask is if we can all agree about some of the ridiculousness, though, of some of those prints in terms of their length. Because I pointed out some of them were put out in those long lengths, or there was or that one that's only 2 inches, or the male to female connector. Can we admit there's some ridiculousness there? Okay. The actual length that's out there is 5 inches. I actually measured it. Hold on. Let me get my tape measure. We'll measure it right here on camera, just to make sure I'm right. Yep. You can see, I'll get it on camera. I'm working backwards. That is 5 inches. I hope it's clear enough on camera. 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. 5 inches. Spring, if you have an old one, somebody actually suggested this. If you have an old one, take it out, put it into the 3D printed one. That was their suggestion. So, yes. Once again, I admit I was wrong about 3D printed versions. I really should put my money where my mouth is, ladies and gentlemen, and actually purchase one or 3D print one, because I know there are files available on Thingiverse and printables. So, yeah, I really shot my mouth off there. Insert foot in mouth, as they say. Okay, well, that's going to be the end of this little quick video. Stay tuned at the first Friday of next month, which is June. I do have a project coming out, and I'm going to do you a favor. I've yapped enough in some of this stuff that whole video, I'm not going to say a word. You're just going to watch with some text popping up. So, hopefully I will see you for that project right here on the Beggars Woodshop. I was wrong.